Okay, guys, ready for video number 7 on selling your home. So, as you know, we received an offer. We did execute it. We went through a lot of the notes. In this case, we didn't have to counter. It was pretty good, very smooth, well written on the buyer's agent side. But anyways, at this point, we are now under contract, and the buyer has performed their inspections. It is understood that all homes are sold as is, meaning when you walk into the home, what you see is what you get for the price that you're offering to pay for the home. However, when you do inspections, you have an inspector that comes in and he checks all the other stuff, things that we don't know by looking at it, or even myself, I have no idea how the AC is, etc. And so the inspector went through the home, and the buyer did present what's called a BINSR, a BNSR. Actually it's BINSR, Buyer's Inspection Notice, Seller's Response. Anyway, so they did present it along with the inspection report and a summary, and has requested some repairs for us. Now, as a buyer, they can say, we'll take it as is, or sellers, we don't like these items, and if you'll fix them, we'll proceed. Or we're not interested in the house now that we've done inspections, and they cancel, and they'll get their earnest and go back, and then we go back on the market. In this case, the buyer has said, we'd like you to make these repairs. And it was a pretty healthy list there. So we're reviewing it now. My husband and I have reviewed it, and the grateful thing is we do have a home warranty on the home, and it does cover some of these items. And we also have a solar lease on the house. And so this is an interesting little mix in there, because we have to look into some things and wait for the solar company to respond. So stay tuned on what happens next. The seller's options, or our options, are either A, yes, we'll fix everything, B, we'll fix nothing and good luck, or C, how about this? We'll do this and this, or this, offer money, whichever. It's a negotiation point. And we have 5 days to do that in. Once we present the buyer with our response, then they have 5 days to respond to us, whether they're going to proceed or cancel. Now, if we accept and agree to repair everything that's written as is, then there is no response needed. We then proceed to the appraisal. So stay tuned, and we'll let you know how it goes. Take care, guys.